welcome to Eco-Friendly Session with me. Today we will be talking about bamboo toothbrushes or wooden toothbrushes. Now, I have adapted a very eco-friendly lifestyle and I'm loving it because it gives me that sense of good deed of the day every day, because I'm saving our planet Earth like in this tiny kind of proportion, but it feels really good. So, bamboo toothbrushes. Now, I have tried two different kinds of bamboo toothbrushes. One is Solimo bamboo toothbrush. I think this is Amazon's home product or something like that. And this one is Terra brush. Yeah, this is Terra brush. So, I'll be telling you the difference between both of these. Now the price of now this is a pack of four, like even this is a pack of four brushes, even this is a pack of four brushes. So the difference is this was about 200 rupees for this entire box. No, this was 195 and this was 245, I think. So this is about 60 rupees per brush and this is about 50 rupees per brush, Indian rupee. Okay, so now I bought this one first. I bought both of them from Amazon India. Now this one comes with such a kind of packaging. I like the packaging of this. It's very nice. So it had four toothbrushes inside. Now only one is remaining, one I'm using, and two I gave to my brother. So even he's happy. I made him switch to bamboo rather than plastic. So this is how the packaging of Solimo is, and the packaging of Terra, I didn't really like it because it's not that eco-friendly, because they have this box inside, they have four more other boxes. So yeah, and then inside this they have another packaging, and after this packaging, finally you can get your toothbrush. So this is the Terra Slim toothbrush, bamboo toothbrush, pack of four. Now that we saw the packaging, I'll tell you the difference. Now these two I started using, this I need to throw away. So the Terra brush comes in four different colors. I got orange, green, pink and yellow. I'm using orange one first. And this one, Solimo, all brushes are the same and they have these tiny symbols of cards, like a diamond, a club, a spade and a heart. So that's the only difference, but still I prefer this one for the aesthetics. Now talking about the softness of the bristles, the Terra one is super soft and it has this long kind of bristles, so like lengthy, what do you call this part, I don't know. So this part is lengthy, so it covers more area, more surface area of your jawline, whereas this one it's considerably small, if you can see. Also, the Solimo one, it's bit harder than the Terra brush. This is super soft, so I love this one, but I also like this one because it gives that feeling that yeah, your tooth has been cleaned. So what I'm doing these days is I'm using this one in the morning and this one at night, and so that I get to use both of them. And these brushes are quite cheap, like because what happened in the beginning, I thought that okay, now that I'm going to start getting these wooden or bamboo toothbrushes, like they will be costly, but that's just a myth, because they are quite cheap. Like if you get a normal regular toothbrush, the plastic ones that you get, so even they are about 40 to 50 bucks for an average toothbrush, and then if you want something more fancy, it goes up to 100, 120, 140, and the mechanical ones, they are like 400 bucks in India. So These are quite cheap. Okay, I'll put this inside later. So these are quite cheap, like 40-50 bucks for one toothbrush. And if you get one box, they have 4 brushes, so your entire family is covered in just one box. And the durability is also quite good, because I have been using this brush for 2 months now and it's still quite sturdy. So I don't have any issue with the durability, because I had thought about it that maybe these might be, not that sturdy like the plastic ones, but actually, in fact, these are better than the plastic toothbrushes, because the plastic toothbrush bristles, they just wear off very easily. So even in those regards, I prefer these. And every morning I get this, like whenever I'm brushing my teeth, I get this woody and bamboo kind of noise, like whenever my tooth gets hit by the toothbrush, like that. So that noise is, or that sound is better than the plastic one. Okay, that's just my personal thing. And the cleaning part, or the safety issues or myths about the bamboo or wooden toothbrushes, like I have often heard that this being natural or organic or bamboo, they can get fungal growth on them or something like that. But it's not true, because I keep my brush in this basket, I keep it in a nice dry place, and I have been using it every day, and you can't see any kind of fungal growth on this, do you? And even with plastic toothbrushes, if you keep them in a wet or damp place, most often you can see some mold growing over it, or those black kind of things growing over it. So anyway, it's true for both kinds of toothbrushes, like even if it's plastic or even if it's bamboo, that you should keep them in a dry place, a ventilated place. So that's it. You don't really need to worry about all such superstitious rumors or myths about bamboo toothbrushes. Just order yours and just adapt a new eco-friendly lifestyle. And if you have any questions about these brushes or my previous video about steel straws, just ask them in the comment section below, and I'll answer it to you ASAP. And stay tuned for some more eco-friendly stuff. Stay tuned for some more cocktails, and stay tuned for some more different exciting stuff. If you are new to my channel, definitely subscribe, because you're gonna love the stuff we do on this channel. And if you are already a subscriber, well, thank you. And share my videos with your friends, ask them to subscribe. And okay, until next time, bye bye.